Head on down to gate D. Gate D is the end of the hall.
Is that you in the astromech? Don't you tell me to hide you overgrown block.
Star Tours 1401, you are cleared for departure. Initiate takeoff sequence.
What? Arthur, Nita, what's going on here? We are not ready for takeoff. The captain isn't on board yet. You know I can't fly this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot.
Attention, all transports hold for security clearance.
Stormtroopers, it will be deactivated for sure.
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen them?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy.
This is the speeder we're looking for. Blast them.
Here's our pilot. Where are we going? This is madness! Arthur, don't you dare make it up to high speed. Arthur, where are we going? We just passed the end of moon. Oh, look out! Arthur, fix those engines immediately. You know I can't swim. And neither can you. Come on! What in God's great place? Go away, beastly thing! Go away! Arthur, save us! The transmission.
I am Mars Kanata, and I come to you with an urgent message. The shadow of the dark side is spreading across the galaxy. My friends in the Resistance need your help. Even you. Head to the coordinates I'm sending you. We must face them and fight them. Now go!
Arthur, we are not going. Yes, we are! This is suicide! We'll be smashed to pieces! In the event we don't make it, I want you to know that you have been the most wonderful passengers. Pull up, Arthur! Pull up!
All pilots, this is it.
You're right, Arthur. This mission cannot fail. Activate the laser cannons.
Watch it, Red 9. You got 6 eyes on your tail.
Arthur, the odds of successfully taking out 2 TIE fighters at once is approximately better than I thought. Well done!
All right, squad. Start the attack run. Remember, aim for the cannon.
What are you waiting for? Fire!
We did it. Thanks for your help, Star Tours.
It's just been an honor.
Steve 1401, welcome back.
We will be landing shortly. I hope you have enjoyed your flight. Watch out! Okay.
Hey, that's my ship. Come on, explain it.
On behalf of staff, thank you for joining us. We look forward to seeing you on another flight soon.